and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a client who has the length, baby. She has the length, but she did just want a little bit of a touch of an extension added to her hair. Really to even out the areas where it's a little shorter than others. Totally preference based, okay? I did share and always share with my clients if I feel like when they come in and I feel like you have enough length to not do extensions. I do mention that if that is the case, and whatever they say, we go with what they want to do, but I make sure they understand that, girl, you don't got to. With this client, because she already had the density and the length just about in all areas, when doing her extensions, I added the barest minimum hair to it, to not really, because the goal isn't to thicken them up. The goal isn't to necessarily give length all over. It's used for it to make it look more uniform over time and things. So that's what we did. I will definitely be updating on these because I know sometimes people just want a little bit of a little bit of at the end, just to get them to where they need to be. The great thing about extensions, I think, is that they are completely customizable. So if you do just want to and you find somebody who's down to give you that extra push, then you'll be good to go. So with that being said, that's all I really wanted to hop on here and say. This is self-explanatory. Braid locks, slight extensions. Any questions, leave them below. I'll work through them at the best time I can, okay? I will do my best. And thank you guys so much for your support and watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.